Hello guys, today we are going to see the new features of Revit 2020. The first new features that we will find is the path of travel. We can find it under Analyze and Path of Travel. Then we can select a starting point and an ending point. Revit will automatically find what's the fastest path to get from the starting point to the ending point. Then we want to add later on a wall. For example, I can copy this one from this wall to the stairs, and then if I want to add a door exactly like this, let me switch it. Then I can select again the path of travel and update it. Revit will automatically find the new path. Here on the left, I can then find all the info related to the path, and then I can change the kind of line. For example, lines or overhead. But then I can go further and decide and control how I want this line to be by going on Manage and then Additional Settings and Line Styles. Here I can find, for example, overhead and decide that I want my line to have a red color. Finally, if I go again under Analyze and I click on the arrow under Path of Travel, I can decide which elements are actually going to affect my path. For example, let's say that I don't want to consider the table that is on my way. I'm gonna click on Furniture. Let's make sure that, this is a furniture. And then of course I reselect the path and I update it. And as you can see, Revit is not considering anymore the table. Revit with this new version now improved the interaction with the PDFs. Let's say for example that I have these walls and I need my kitchen consultant to plan a kitchen inside, and I sent out these walls as perimeter. Now I receive back the PDF from my kitchen consultant, and I'm going to insert it so that I can add the new walls from the layout that he provided me with. So I will go on Insert PDF, select my file. It will pop up a window in let's say Photoshop style. Then I can select the page that I need, and then I can place it in my view. Now, what Revit 2020 allows me to do is to use the snaps of the PDF to move it. You can see that if I try to move the PDF now, I will have no snaps that let me do it. But if instead I select the PDF and I click on Enable Snaps, then I will be able to use the snaps of the PDF to move it. Now the PDF and my walls coincide, and I can create the new walls. Let's start by changing the color of the walls so that I can understand which ones are already there and which ones are on the PDF. Perfect. Now I will use the Create Similar tool so that I can use the same walls that I'm already using. Doesn't have to be perfect for the moment. Okay, let's make it better. Now to create the openings, I will use the Split Element tool, and I can adjust it like that roughly. It depends how accurate it needs to be. Or I can use the tool Split with Gap, then unlock the connection between the two walls, and then again, thanks to the snap tool of the PDF, I can use Align and align the walls directly to the walls in the PDF. Another thing that I can do is to use the snap as a starting point for the wall that I'm going to create. But first I have to make sure that the location line is not set on a wall center line, but either or interior or exterior. Perfect. Moving forward, another new feature is the possibility to create elliptic walls. So now we have the ellipse as a shape. We just give the two diameters and that's it. Finally, Revit, with this new version, allows us to copy a legend from one sheet to another in the same exact position. For example, if I place this legend right here and I want it in the same exact position on this other sheet, I will just select it, align to current view. These are, in my opinion, the most important features that we should know about. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.